Let's look at how to input reducers in automet. To input a reducer, select the R in the bottom menu, or right-click where you want the reducer to go in the schematic, and click Add Reducer. Automet will add a default reducer to your spool. Edit the reducer by either double-clicking it, or right-clicking the R in the schematic and selecting Edit. You can change the dimensions of the reducer from the central drop-down box. In the example, our spool is 12 inches, therefore the top 4 options will reduce the pipe size, and the bottom 5 options will increase the size. Here we choose to enlarge the pipe from 12 to 18 inches over the default length for that reducer. You can see that flange 2 also changes to accommodate the larger pipe size. Make sure that you check this flange to check that it matches your requirements. If you want to add pipe onto the end of the reducer, break the fitting-to-fitting connection and add the length to the distance box. This length will include the default reducer length. The default shape of the reducer is concentric, meaning the pipe reduces in size on the same axis, however it can also be eccentric. This means the reducer is flat on one side of the pipe. Use the options to pick the required preset.